This video will highlight the TRIO CTE STEM program for pre-allied health or automotive and manufacturing majors. So what is TRIO CTE STEM? Well, it's a new program designed to help students in one of these majors, and our goal is to help you graduate or transfer. We will be focusing our support services on our pre-allied health majors and students that are interested in the medical field, as well as automotive and manufacturing related majors. Some examples are computer-aided manufacturing, welding, and auto collision repair, to name a few. These are just some of the benefits of joining the TRIO CTE STEM program. Priority registration. This means that you get to select and register for your classes early and create the best schedule. We have dedicated counselors that you can meet with easily. You won't have to wait weeks for an appointment. These counselors also specialize in pre-allied health majors and also applied technology majors, so you will be given clear and concise courses for your educational goal. We will have detailed financial aid help and workshops. If you need help in class, we also have tutorial services available. We will have interesting college success workshops on study skills and test-taking tips, and more. Career counseling to learn more about jobs in your field. If you're interested in transferring, we can provide guidance and help with the application. College can be tough, but with our program, we'll provide support and coaching each step of the way. Scholarships are also available for students who qualify. To be eligible for this program, you can be a first-generation college student, which means your parents did not graduate from a four-year college, low-income students, or disabled students, and you must be pursuing a major in science, technology, engineering, or math, such as pre-allied health and applied technology. Part of being in the TRIO STEM program is seeing a counselor each semester, also participating in workshops or cultural and community events. We also want you to know that the Fresno City College Student Support Services STEM program does not discriminate on the basis of race, color, national origin, religion, sex, age, or disability of any of its policies, procedures, or practices. We hope we can help you reach your academic goals. Contact us for an interest card and to speak with a counselor.